reporter number 1. So my topic is long-term interaction style, HCI. Long-term interaction styles are the ways in which users repeatedly interaction with a system, whether it's a website, app, or software. Then they focus on creating seamless and enjoyable experience over extended periods. So, yung hati na to, long-term interaction styles, pangmatagalan, pakikipag-ugnayan mga estilo ha HCI sa creating system, amon bukon hambuok, maluhay, amon salon nakauna ha mga mataod efficient mga nahinang habaran. Halgaan iban ingaton in mga system na sibu-sibu ingaton na usalon hagol, ha mga foster buok positibo pan productive mga nag-uusal tiyag kanabayan amon mga kalagyan lamod na para kalagyan usalon. So number 1, consistency. So consistency, the user interface should be consistent throughout the system. This means using the same technology, layout, and design principles across all parts of the application. For example, buttons with the same function should look and behave identically regardless of where they appear. Innocent design leads to user confusion and translation. So, consistency ni ha mga interfaces ay amon sibu-sibu, terminolohiya, layout, ibang design. Amon maiwasan in kalituhan iban pag-usal. Halimbawa, ang mga button na ang sibu function na subay ang karagbos iban maggana ha mga sibukatan bahagi un mga system. So, number 2, learnability. The system should be easy to learn, even for first-time users. Clear interactions and intuitive interfaces and helpful feedback are crucial. The use of familiar icons and metaphors can greatly improve learnability. Step learning curve discourage user. So yung learnability ni amon maluhay ingaton in mga mag-usal manjari lamod in mga future ha mga personalization, customization, iban hambuok hinang. Halimbawa, manjari mapaon in duaing level ha difficulty atawa duaing paraan na pag-input ha mga information. So, efficiency, users should be able to achieve their goals quickly and effectively. A well-designed interfaces, shortcuts, and intelligent feature contribute to efficiency. Keyboard shortcuts or predictive text are examples that enhance efficiency. Efficient system with user time and effort. So, in efficiency, amon nag-uusal na aun na hinang na makawa yung mga goals biskay ban kaya rayaw hambuok marayaw design interfaces, mga shortcut iban maingat features. Limbawa, amon maluhay efficiency amon bukon biyak sa systems sayang usalon time iban tuyo. So in feedback, the system should provide timely and relevant feedback to the user. This information the user about the progress of their action and this of system. Loading bars and confirmation messages are examples of useful feedback. Lack of feedback leaves user is uncertain and frustrated. So in feedback system amon mga dihil timely iban lamod sa feedback amon mga nag-uusal ang mga process iban mga state amon system loading bars atawa confirmation na isampay. So number 6, error prevention. The system shall be designed to minimize errors and provide helpful mechanisms for recovery when errors to occur. Confirmation dialog boxes before deleting information are common error prevention technique. Robust error handling is crucial for positive user experience. So in error prevention ini, ha system amon mga design na kiragdagan error. Iban he provide ha mga tumabang mekanismo amon pwede amon i-provide ha mga tumabang mekanismo amon hikabalik in mga magkalawa confirmation, mga nakauna piyag-ig in mga impormasyon hambuok common kamalian pag-iwas discarding amon hambuok positibo nag-uusal mga piyagtakabayan. So thank you.